Now, of course, I'm still going to play it safe because, in Vegas, things can be problematic. But the written word is done. I will be publishing it on my regular locations. I'm not going to take off my Twitter thing about hanging them for treason until after the election. And then I can start posting on Twitter again. And if you want to pause this, you can. And this is today's writing, and this is where we are with our knowledge as celestial beings. But I wanted you to check this out. Logan's Run. Turn on my Logan's Run lamp for you one more time. Oh my God, the bars. I'm trapped in the bars. Okay, this is Logan's Run 101. Oh, there she is. Check her out. Let me get close to the window. These curtains behind me. Here, I'll hide behind the curtains. He's opening the veil. That's right, I'm opening the veil. How cool is that? Let's see if we can get to Lala. Come on, Lala. So Lala is in the west. She's setting, and the sun is rising behind me. And so thank you to everyone who got me to this location. Great price, to be honest with you. Excellent price. But, yeah, just having to see that thing. So that's the old world. And I really do think these people are all dead and gone. And if you want to consider space travel between celestial spheres, maybe a long time ago, people used to come here to experience this as a lesson. But I believe they're all gone. And I think that we holographic creatures, you may not like it, but hey, man, we got flesh and blood and bones. I mean, it's a damn awesome place. And we need to stop the machine from deleting us before there's none of us left. So if you have my Christ blood within you, then you will continue, that's for sure, because I haven't been deleted yet. For those of you who are going to have my children in the future, and those of you who are going to take my essence to bless your children, we have much work before us. And not sure when I'll post these, but great connection at this location. And this is awesome. So the moon's going to go behind the thing over there. And yeah. So, and you guys, yeah, suck each other's sex organs and lick that bunghole. Make sure it's clean. Feels really good, to be honest with you. And have babies. And see all that stuff in the background? That's just mud flood. That is just the machine. You know those white things that fly around the sky? It picks up all the debris and then just dumps it. And then it makes us rebuild. Until we regain our free will, we'll be reliving the great nuclear hydrogen war in 1854 to 1855 that began in 1853, but now since the timeline doesn't matter, we are now in 2021, headed towards 2053. That will become 2054, that will become 2055, and all life will cease to exist in 2094. The Oracle, connected to the source of all creation and all destruction, has so spoken. We are Pacto. We don't do raka. We take 'em out. Johnny Exodice, living the dream with Jeppo Jinx.